Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. We are from second group, and now we want to presentation about procedure for manufacturing simplified herbal substances. Before we start, I want to introduce our members, which consists of 13 members. For the first, Ainun, second, Arlina, third, Desta, fourth, Elkana, fifth, Filda, sixth, Happy, seventh, Kayla, eighth, Rizky, ninth, Miswar, 10th, Neima, 11th, Nurchayana, 12th, Rizky, and the last, Salsa. And now, we will start.
Simplicia is a natural ingredient used as medicine that has not undergone any processing and unlisted otherwise. Simplicia is a dried ingredient. Simplicia can be vegetable Simplicia, animal Simplicia, and polycan or mineral Simplicia. Vegetable Simplicia is Simplicia in the form of full plants, plants the breed, all plants exudate. Eksudat tanaman merupakan isi sel yang keluar dari dalam tumbuhan. Contohnya itu ada gom, resin, dan juga fenolik. Selanjutnya, animal Simplicia is Simplicia in the form of full animals. Animals part or useful substance produced by animal and not yet in the form of pure chemical. Next, polycan or mineral Simplicia is Simplicia in the form of polycan or mineral material that has not been processed or has been processed in a simple way and is not yet a pure chemical substance. Contohnya itu ada sulfur, feri, dan tembaga.
Number 2, basic of manufacture. Point 1, Simplicia is made by dry. Making Simplicia using this method dry quickly, but there are several things you need to attention to, namely the temperature and the cut of the Simplicia slice. Jadi proses pengeringan Simplicia dengan cara dikeringkan itu, pembuatan dengan cara dikeringkan melalui sinar matahari. Ada beberapa hal yang harus diperhatikan, itu suhu, ukuran slice Simplicianya, dan berapa lama pengeringannya. Point 2, Simplicia is made using fermentation process. Simplicia which is processed by fermentation or preservation must be on careful and with attention so that errors do not occur. The activities substance does not decompose. Cara fermentasi Simplicia itu dengan pengawet harus berhati-hati karena menggunakan ragi dan mikroorganisme. Point 3, Simplicia is made using a special process. Making Simplicia by distilling, thickening the exudate, and dry the water essence. Pembuatan Simplicia dengan cara penyulingan itu, contohnya destilasi, seperti pengambilan dari minyak asiri pada serai atau sebagainya. Point 4, Simplicia is manufacturing process require the water. Struck, talk, and so in the manufacturing process require the water. Pati dan lainnya sebagai dalam proses pembuatan memerlukan air. Namun harus diperhatikan yaitu kebersihan airnya. Mikroba dalam airnya harus dipisahkan agar tidak terjadi pencampuran.
Third, stage of preparation. In general, making Simplicia goes through the following stage: raw materials collection, wet sorting, washing, cupping, drying, dry sorting, packaging, storage, and quality inspection. A. Collection of raw materials. The levels of active compound in Simplicia vary depending on: first, the part of the plant used; second, age of the plant or plant part at the time of harvest; third, harvest time; fourth, the environment in which it grows. Harvest time is closely related to the formation of active compounds in the plant parts to be harvested. The right harvest time is when the plant parts contain the highest amount of active compounds. Active compounds are maximally formed in plant parts or plants at a certain age. In addition to age-related harvest time, you also need to pay attention when you harvest in a day. For example, Simplicia containing essential oils are better harvested in the morning. So to determine the harvest time per day, it is necessary to consider the chemical and physical stability of the active compounds in the Simplicia to the head of the sun. Harvest time. In general, the harvest guidelines are as follows. First, plants whose old seeds are taken at harvest, such as Kedawung or Parkia roxburghi. Taking the seeds is indicated by the drying of the fruit. Often the picking is done before it is completely dry, that is, before the fruit breaks naturally and the seeds are thrown far away. Tanaman biji yang sudah tua biasanya diambil setelah di saat panen itu pengambilan biji ditandai dengan mengeringnya buah. Seringkali pemetikan dilakukan sebelum buah itu benar-benar kering, yaitu sebelum buah pecah secara alami dan bijinya dibuang jauh. Second, plants whose fruit is taken at harvest. The time of collection is often related to the level of ripeness, which is indicated by changes in the fruit such as change in the level of hardness, change in color, fruit water content, changes in fruit shape. Third, plants whose leaves are harvested at the time of harvest are harvested when the plant undergoes a growth change from vegetative to generative. Tanaman yang buahnya diambil pada saat panen, waktu pengumpulannya sering dikatakan dengan tingkat kematangan yang ditandai dengan perubahan pada buah, seperti perubahan tingkat kekerasannya, perubahan warna.
Wet sorting. Wet sorting is carried out to separate impurities or other foreign materials from the Simplicia material. Soil contains various microbes in high numbers, therefore cleaning Simplicia from the soil involved can reduce the initial number of microbes. Wet sorting is selecting harvest results when the plants are still fresh. Jadi pada sortasi basah ini terdapat tujuannya yaitu untuk memisahkan pengotor anorganik dan pengotor organiknya. Untuk pengotor anorganik itu seperti pengotor dari luar tanaman, contohnya tanah, kerikil, dan lain-lain. Sedangkan pengotor organiknya itu seperti bagian dari luar tumbuhan lain, sementara di dalamnya seperti bagian lain dari tumbuhan yang bersangkutan. Next is washing. Washing is carried out to remove soil and other contents attached to the Simplicia material. Washing is done with clean water, for example, water from a spring, well water, or tap water. On Simplicia roots, stems, or fruit, the outer skin can also be peeled to reduce the initial number of microbes, because most of the microbes are usually found on the surface of the Simplicia material. The peel material may not require washing if the stripping method is done correctly and cleanly. Various washing techniques. One is multiple immersion, usually done on materials that do not contain a lot of impurities. Continue various washing techniques. Second is spraying, usually done on materials that have a lot of dirt attached to the material. Third point is brushing, or manual or automatic. Washing by brushing can be done on type of materials that are hard or not soft and the dirt adheres very strongly. Fourth, draining. After draining, the ingredients are dried on drying racks, especially for rhizome material. Drying is carried out for 4 to 6 days. After drying, sorting is carried out again of the material is used immediately in press form according to demand. Jadi, macam-macam teknik pencucian itu ada banyak. Yang pertama itu perendaman bertingkat. Kelebihannya menghemat penggunaan air, sementara untuk kekurangannya sangat mudah melarutkan zat-zat yang terkandung. Yang kedua itu ada penyemprotan. Keunggulan dari penyemprotan ini adalah dapat mengurangi resiko kehilangan atau larutnya bahan-bahan yang terkandung dalam bahan. Sedangkan kekurangannya menggunakan air yang cukup banyak. Yang ketiga yaitu penyikatan. Jadi pencucian ini dengan cara menyikat dan dapat dilakukan pada jenis bahan yang keras atau tidak lunak. Yang terakhir itu penirisan. Jadi setelah ditiris, bahan dikeringkan di rak pengering. Setelah dikeringkan, dilakukan penyortiran kembali karena bahan yang segera dalam bentuk segar sesuai permintaan. Contohnya, rimpang jahe perlu disorti sesuai standar perdagangan karena kualitas bahan menentukan harga jual.
D. Chopping. Several types of Simplicia materials need to undergo a chopping process. Shredding of Simplicia materials is done to simplify the drying, packing, and grading process. Plants that have just been taken should not be chopped immediately, but dry in the sun, in fact, for 1 day. Chopping can be done with a knife using a special chopping machine to obtain this slice or piece in the desired size. For example, a tool called Rasinko or cassava chopper. Jadi ada beberapa simplisia yang harus melalui pencacahan. Pencacahan itu tujuannya untuk mempercepat pengeringan. Namun sebelum dicacah, simplisia tersebut harus dikeringkan terlebih dahulu. Dalam proses pencacahan bisa menggunakan dua metode, yaitu yang pertama bisa menggunakan pisau atau bisa juga dengan menggunakan alat yang contohnya itu Rasinko atau cassava chopper. The thinner the material to be dried, the faster the water evaporates, thereby spreading up drying time. However, slicing that is too thin can also cause a reducing or loss of volatile substance. The chopping size is accordance with applicable regulation. It's around 3 until 5 millimeters. Simplisia ingredients such as curcuma, ginger, galangal, and another similar ingredients should be avoided by slicing too thinly to prevent reducing the essential oil content. Semakin tipis bahan yang akan dikeringkan, maka air akan semakin cepat menguap sehingga mempercepat waktu pengeringan. Namun, pemotongan yang terlalu tipis dapat menyebabkan kehilangan zat aktif dari simplisia tersebut. Contohnya adalah jahe, temulawak, dan yang semacam dengan jahe tersebut dapat menguapkan minyak asiri apabila dipotong terlalu tipis. Tools for chopping. Number 1, Rasinko. Cassava chopper or Rasinko is a sweet potato chopper tool. This tool has a processing capacity of 150 until 150 until 200 kg per hour. Rasinko is moved by pedals and a bicycle chain using human power legs. Yang pertama untuk alat-alat pencacahan, yang pertama ada Rasinko atau cassava Rasinko adalah alat pencacah yang digunakan untuk ubi jalar. Alat ini mempunyai kapasitas pengelolaan 150 sampai 200 kg per jam. Rasinko ini digerakkan dengan pedal dan rantai sepeda dengan menggunakan tenaga kaki manusia. Number 2, Alpha HL18. The skin peeling tools or Alpha HL is a tool for peeling the skin of seeds such as soybeans, saga, wijen beans, and others. This tool has a processing capacity of 150 until 200 kilograms per hour. The Alpha HL is driven by a petrol or electric motor with a power of 5 ph 1000 rpm. Jadi yang kedua itu ada Alpha KL80. Itu merupakan alat pengupas yang digunakan untuk mengupas biji-bijian seperti keledai, saga, kecipir, dan lain-lainnya. Alat ini menggunakan kapasitas pengolahan 150 sampai 200 kg per jam. Alpha KL ini digerakkan oleh motor mesin atau listrik dengan tenaga 5 PK atau 3000 rpm.
Chopping. Alpha KL80. The skin peeling tool Alpha KL80 is a tool for peeling the skin of seeds such as soybeans, saga, winged beans, and others. This tool has a processing capacity of 150 until 200 kg per hour. The Alpha KL80 is driven by a petrol or electric motor with a power of 5 PK. Next, drying. The purpose of drying is obtain simplisia that is not easily damaged so that it can be stored for a longer time by reducing the water content and stopping the enzymatic reaction. The quality or extraction of the simplisia will be prevented. The water remaining in the simplisia at a certain level can be a medium for the growth of mold and other microorganisms. Simplisia drying is done using sunlight or using a dryer. The things that need to be considered during the drying process are drying temperature, air humidity, airflow, drying time, and surface area of the material. When drying simple material, it's not recommended to use plastic tools. Next, tools for drying. A solar tan dryer. A solar tan dryer is a tool for drying simple material using solar energy in the form of a tan or tan. The capacity of the tool depends on the type of material being dried. The tool capacity is 35 kg for Simplicia slice with a tip drying time of 80-110 hours. The average drying temperature is 50 derajat Celcius.
For drying equipment. The drying device is designed to dry Simplicia using solar energy as an alternative to replacing traditional drying on plastic mats, bamboo mat, cement floor, or the ground. The goal is to dry more quickly, not be distributed by rain, and fight contamination. The average temperature achieved by this tool is 48,5 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature of 56,2 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 32,5 degrees Celsius. The upper outdoor air temperature is 33,5 degrees Celsius. Then with this tool is 60% faster than traditional drying. 1. Natural drying. Natural drying can be done in two ways, namely with direct sunlight. This method is used to dry relatively hard plant parts such as wood, bark, seeds, and so on, and contain relatively stable active comfort. Sun drying is carried out for 5 days. Greenhouse drying is carried out for 10 days. Wind drying is carried out for 12 days. This method is an AC and sheet method, which is done by leaving the material that has been cut into pieces in the open air on a winds without control conditions such as temperature, humidity, and airflow. This method is only good in areas where the air is hot or the humidity is low and it doesn't rain or cloudy. Weather can extend the drying time, giving mold or other microbes the opportunity to grow before the Simplicia dries. Continue. FTDC Food Technology Development Center (FTB) has designed and made a drying using sunlight. The sunlight is collected on a dark surface at a certain angle. This heat is then cast onto drying rack, which have a tension group on top of prevent the material from getting wet. It sardine racks with air and not heated by direct sunlight. This method is mainly used to dry soft plant parts such as flower, leaf, etc. and contain volatile active comfort. In both methods, the drying area has a bottom which holds a component bamboo or gauze. Generally, the base of the drying container is not made of metal because metal irritates and limits active comfort.
2. Activity laws that might occur if dwelling in the sun can be occurred if activity dwelling in commonly or named by ice activity dwelling melting or temperature heavily needy. Pressure and air force can be regular. The rating of activity dwelling is followers. The eye is held by a head something of the axle or activity dwelling the hot. I can be find into room of course continue the material to be dwelling has been spared on dwelling hair. I think the Simplicia partial and the dwelling deficit can be cared with QT good regular. Pretty good cell after white in for expect Simplicia by placing the material to be dwelling on a ribbon of course and pressing the to a tumbler or room flat with air. The hem be filled with so regular. The thing on the dwelling and the active which can be regular to dwelling Simplicia with a maximum temperature 65 derajat Celsius. Dwelling sortir. The process in Calvi or before the Simplicia is whiter. The sort ice with the inter sortir hair can do manual in the free zone. 4 of Simplicia after the number of roll to the rhizome is too bigger and must be referred like and remedial in the rhizome simplicia later. Number 1, Darling sorting is sorting mating after under Darling process. Number 2, sorting in cell or material Darling by Darling to or from animal water or site. Number 3, after sorting, the simplicia is vacant to Darling of the post-hair process can be out.
Packing and starch. Simplicia can be damaged, deteriorate, or change in quality due to various external and internal factors including 1. Like risk of curtain wavelength can cause chemical change in Simplicia, for example, isomerization, polymerization, racemarization, and so on. 2. Air oxygen. Curtain compounds in Simplicia can undergo chemical change due to the influence of air oxygen. Oxidation occurs and this change can affect the form of Simplicia. 3. Internal chemical reaction. Chemical change in the Simplicia that can be caused by internal chemical reaction, for example by enzyme oxidation. 4. Dehydration. If the example humidity is lower than the Simplicia will slowly lose some of its water so that it becomes smaller over time. 5. Water absorption. Microscopic Simplicia, for example, gelatin when stored in oven container will absorb air moisture so that it becomes lumpy with or melts. Fouling of Simplicia can be caused by various sources, for example, dust or sand, animal excretion, fluid material, and so on. Incense can cause the meat and community to Simplicia, but in their campfire from and the adult from. Mold. If the water content the Simplicia is too high, the Simplicia can develop mold.
Storage and drying tools. The first, Rinsali 80. The controlled temperature drying device Rinsali 80 is a tool for drying wet Simplicia. The Rinsali 80 is powered by electricity 220 over 200 380 volts and is equipped with an air extractor fan driven by a 1 heavy 1500 rpm electric motor. Jadi alat pengeringan yang pertama yaitu Rinsali 80 adalah yaitu perangkat pengeringan dengan kontrol suhu yang dirancang khusus untuk mengeringkan Simplicia yang masih basah. Perangkat ini menggunakan tenaga listrik dengan 230 sampai 380 volts. Salah satu fitur utama dari Rinsali 80 ini adalah kipas elektrolit udara yang didukung oleh motor listrik berkekuatan 1 HP and berputar pada kecepatan 1500 rpm. Kipas ini berfungsi untuk mengeluarkan udara dari perangkat sehingga membantu dalam proses pengeringan Simplicia dengan efisien. And then Simplicia storage canister kaleng pendaringan. Simplicia storage canister or kaleng pendaringan is a storage door for Simplicia in the form of seeds, tin seeds, or slice. This store has a storage capacity of 100 to 150 kg. Jadi kemudian yang selanjutnya yaitu Simplicia storage canister atau kaleng pendaringan. Kaleng pendaringan ini adalah alat penyimpanan yang dirancang khusus untuk Simplicia yang tipis, dalam bentuk tipis, lembaran tipis, atau potongan lainnya. Alat ini memiliki kapasitas penyimpanan sekitar 100 sampai 150 kg. Fungsinya yaitu untuk menjaga Simplicia tetap aman dan terlindungi dari kelembapan, serta faktor lingkungan lain yang dapat mempengaruhi kualitasnya. Dengan menggunakan kaleng pendaringan, Simplicia dapat disimpan dengan kondisi yang optimal untuk menjaga kesegaran dan kualitasnya dalam jangka waktu yang lebih lama.
Specific Simplicia manufacturing. Number 1, special treatment. Mushroom, lignans, and film spores. It is enough to dry the Simplicia material in the sun because the material is small and thin. Continue in a place where it or can initially profit with air absorbing and oxygen absorbing material areas of materials. Roots. The roots are discrete, slitting or cut in Photosol peaks according to the size of the roots. Dry in the sun, green is done white sunlight or artificial breeze. Fruit that is small or sweet, dry when harvest is dry immediately. Fruit the squid layer or salt be spilled into two or spherical parts dry in the sun. How much fruit needs to be repeatedly before drying? Continue. Flowers. Flowers are seen dry or dry in the article dry. Seeds. The seeds are only controlled by pre-organic matter. Dry them immediately bring the dry purchase. Broken seeds are immediately stripped to avoid contamination in upsetting production mode. Leaves. Cast mint like flowers. Wood. Difficulty or sundry dry article dry much by article to economy acts. Jadi simplicia khusus ini berasal dari bahan alam yang telah diolah untuk digunakan dalam pembuatan atau penelitian, tetapi masih dalam bentuk realiti mendekati alam alam. Contoh simplicia tersebut yaitu kulit kayu manis, akar kunyit dan jambu biji.
Okay, they continue. H. Rhizome. Small rhizome are the left whole, while large rhizome are tiny slice, likewise or crosswise, depending on the market demand. Certain rhizome need to be sliced, cut in the lime water or dipped in boiling water, drying with sunlight or artificial drying. A. Bulbs. Tubers are washed clean, sliced tiny if necessary. The slices with the large diameter are cut into two or several parts. G. Processing result. For example, agar-agar, jadam, colophonium, and so on. Storage as is the container is adjusted to the simple snap and consistency. Processing result in the form of the solid material can simply be stored accompanied by a water absorber. Key animals. 1. Animal's body or partially dry in the sun or artificial dry. 2. Fat oil. Processing depends on the raw material stored in the fully filled and well-closed container. 3. Animal fats and waxes. Processing depends on the raw material stored in a well-closed container. 4. Liquid processing result. Example of the honey stored in the fully filled and well-closed container. L. Mineral oil. Usually processing in the carried out by the petroleum industry, stored in the well-closed container. M. Essential oil. The processing method is the described but spiritually stored in the fully filled container, well-closed, and protect from light at the room temperature. Solid vegetarian oil, for example, chocolate fat and nutmeg fat, stored in a well-closed container. Jadi itu ada rimpang yang kecil dibiarkan utuh, sedangkan rimpang yang besar diiris tipis, memanjang atau melintang. Itu tergantung permintaan pasar. Rimpang tertentu perlu direndam dalam air jeruk atau dicelupkan ke dalam air mendidih, pengeringan dengan sinar matahari atau pengeringan dengan buatan. Terus selanjutnya ada ubi. Ubi itu bisa dicuci bersih, diiris tipis, bila perlu irisan diameternya besar dipotong menjadi 2 atau beberapa bagian. Yang J, yang kemudiannya itu pengolahan hasil, misalnya itu agar-agar, jadam, adokolomferium dan lain sebagainya. Disimpan apa adanya, wadah disesuaikan dalam bentuk dan konsistensi yang sederhana. Hasil pengolahannya itu berupa bahan padat, cukup disimpan dengan disertai alat penyerap air. Selanjutnya ada hewan. Yang pertama itu dia terbagi menjadi 4. Tubuh hewan atau bagian lainnya. Ada minyak lemak, ada lemak dan lilin hewani, ada cairan penghasil olahan. Selanjutnya ada minyak mineral, biasanya pengolahan dilakukan oleh industri perminyakan, disimpan dan dalam wadah yang tertutup dan rapat. Selanjutnya yang terakhir ada minyak atsiri. Metode Pemrosesannya dijelaskan secara terpisah, disimpan dalam wadah terisi penuh, tutup dengan baik, terlindungi dari cahaya pada suhu kamar. Minyak sayur padat misalnya minyak lemak, coklat, dan lemak pala disimpan dalam waktu yang tertutup rapat.